The topic for the day is fundamental rights given in the Indian Constitution. The first fundamental right is right to equality. It means rules and regulations are same for every Indian citizen. There is no discrimination on the basis of caste, race, religion, and place of birth. The right to equality has been given in the Constitution from Article 14 to 18. The second fundamental right is the right to freedom. Every Indian citizen is free to speak and express views as a free citizen of the country. Today, media has become one of an important channel to express our freedom. This right also includes freedom to assemble or gather in groups peacefully, or form unions, clubs, or associations. We are free to move from one state to another, like Rajasthan to Tamil Nadu or Bombay to Calcutta. We also have freedom to become a teacher or a doctor, shopkeeper or an engineer, or a fashion designer, a journalist, or a trader. However, we need to remember that right to freedom becomes meaningful with the concept of reasonable restriction. For example, you have freedom to speak, but it doesn't mean that you abuse someone. Every responsible citizen of India should remember these reasonable restrictions while enjoying right to freedom. The third fundamental right is right to freedom of religion. India is a secular country, so we have freedom to profess, to practice, or propagate our religion. There is no discrimination between a Hindu or a Sikh, a Muslim or a Buddhist, a Christian or a Parsi. That's why in India we can see a church as mosque along with Hindu and Jaina temple. Religious diversity is possible in India because of right to freedom of religion. It reflects India as a secular country where every citizen has the freedom to profess, practice, or propagate any religion.